Good day everyone. Today we visit this place, the Creux du Vent in the Canton of Neuchatel, Switzerland. It is a natural rocky amphitheater-shaped formation approximately 1.4 kilometers wide and 150 meters deep on the north side of the Soliat mountain. The views are just spectacular. Some say it is the Grand Canyon of Switzerland. To give you an idea of the impressive scale of the cliffs, here you have some people walking. Down there, the forest. On the horizon, you have the lake of Neuchatel, a bit hazy today. Where is the Creux du Vent? A possibility is to drive to this place, Restaurant Le Soliat. I wonder if my car is there. Joking, of course. Going up in altitude. Then pointing north. There is on the east between the lake of Neuchatel, higher up. Switzerland, France, Germany. How to go about? Here's once again the parking. Walking along the edge of the cliff till you reach these fantastic views. Literally breathtaking. This is perfectly good limestone. Great location for a cement plant. Joke number 2. Another idea of scaling with the wanderers. This place cannot be used, fortunately, for hang gliders or dentas. There is no place for landing down there, just forest. Nature is present as well. Very serious black butterfly. And we're at the right time of the year to see queen ants, or the termites, taking off to mate and establish other colonies. Bigger animals. We're in Switzerland after all. Though a first for me to see a burrito fitted with a bell. Prairies, trees, unspoiled, beautiful area. I hope you enjoyed this short visit. Till next time, bye for now.